Hello students, today we are going to study worksheet 3. Today we are going to study articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. The indefinite article A is placed before singular nouns that begins with consonant sound. We are talking about consonant sound. For example, a bank, a boy, a phone, a flower. Here b and f are consonant sounds. That's why we have used a. The indefinite article an is placed before singular nouns that begins with vowel sound. For example, an actor, an elf, an hour, an archin, an example. Here as you can see, hour is starting with h, her. That is consonant, but the sound is vowel, hour. We pronounce it as a hour, as an hour. Okay. The is the definite article. We use it when we talk of a person or thing we have already spoken of. If we have talked about a person or a thing, and again if we talk about that person or thing, then we use the or any particular person, thing or thing. For example, a boy bought an ice cream. The boy paid 10 rupees for the ice cream. So here a boy and here the boy, because here we have talked about the boy first time and here the boy we have used because second time we have talked about the boy. Same with ice cream. Here the Olympics you know it is a unique kind of games, so that's why we have used the Olympics. Here fill in the blanks with a, an or the as required. So a farmer lived in a hut. The farmer kept the hut. So here we have used a with hut and farmer because we have talked about them first time. And here we have put the because we have talked about them second time. There was a pond nearby. There was a pond because we have talked about the pond first time. Second time we have talked about pond, so it will be the pond. The pond lived a frog. Here we have used a frog, but second time we have used the frogs croaking kept the farmer awake at night. The farmer grew a beautiful kitchen garden in the backyard. Okay, so here I have written some vowel sounds, vowel letters like a, e, I, O, U. These are vowels. Okay, and we are talking about vowel sounds like a, e, u. These all are vowel sounds. Okay, see the next activity, next exercise. Each sentences contain at least one mistake related to usage of article. There is an error in each sentence. We stayed in an hotel in Shimla. Here hotel, her is consonant sound, so there should be a at the place of an. Okay, so here we have to use a hotel, not an hotel. In the second sentence, I have to go to a party in an hour. I have to go to a party in an hour. So here it will be an hour, not a hour. A hour is wrong. Here it should be an hour. Like this you have to correct some errors of this exercise. Let us see the next worksheet, worksheet 4. Here read the given do's and don'ts on how to lead a happy and healthy life. Here we will learn how to write some do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts means what should we do and what should we not do. Like here some do's and don'ts are written. Sleep early and rise early. These are do's. We should do these things. Play outdoors, study regularly, help others in need. Here don'ts, what we should not do. Eat fast food all the time, watch television all the time, be aware of making mistakes, make comparisons. So these are don'ts which we should not do. Okay, similarly we must follow some do's and don'ts in school. Anisha has prepared such a list. However, it is jumbled up. Put them in an appropriate column. Here some do's and don'ts are written. You have to put them in a column. Here you can see, be in a proper uniform. Should you be in a proper uniform or not? Yes. So it will be in do's. Fight with classmates? No. So it will be don'ts. Be late at school? No. So it will be don'ts. So here you have to write do's and don'ts. Then your mother is going away for 2 days on an official tour. What list of do's and don'ts do you think she will leave for you and your brother or sister? Do's: take food on time. Don'ts: fight with each other. I have written only one thing. Then you have to write another things which your mother will be telling you to do and not to do. Have you been shopping lately? Write a paragraph on your last shopping experience. I have started like this. I went for shopping with my mother to Indore. I enjoyed a lot there. I bought many toys. And then you have to write some lines by your own. You have to complete it by your own.